Hey guys, this is Thor Lancaster, and in this action lighting video I will show off another controller from our flagship UTC series, the all-new UTC-6. I designed this controller for maximum flexibility and versatility to control large lighting installations in the amusement and sign industries. Compared to the UTC-12 I demoed in last week's video, this controller is both smaller and larger. Both this UTC-6 controller and last week's UTC-12 controller are capable of 40 amps of total current, just divided differently. This controller has half the channels of the UTC-12, but each channel of this UTC-6 controller can handle twice the current at 10 amps per channel instead of 5. You can also program the controller to drive less than 6 channels for added flexibility. If you need something to run this year's show, next year's show, and the show after that, this is the controller you need. This controller is built to last and assembled in the USA. It features a solid aluminum case, IP66 waterproofing including the front panel switches and lights, and an internal temperature sensor to shut itself off before it overheats. The controller also features user replaceable Triacs, so you can replace them yourself if one fails from an external short circuit. The Triacs are attached with screw terminals and no soldering is required to replace a blown Triac. This controller runs the same code as the UTC-12 and supports all the same patterns and special effects. It can make your lights chase, spell and flash, display special effects like candle flames and fire, and supports user programmable patterns of up to 200 steps. Digital speed control synchronized to the incoming AC power allows you to run multiple controllers in sync. Since they all run the same code, you can sync UTC-4s, UTC-6s, and UTC-12s together for unmatched flexibility in large lighting projects. In addition to this UTC-6 controller, we also sell the UTC-4. It has the exact same specs as the UTC-6, except having 4 channels instead of 6. This controller will be a little cheaper and simpler if all you need is 4-circuit control if you are running things like belt light, or chasing lights or other 4-circuit projects. Let's look at some of the patterns that this controller can do. Here is the random fill pattern, perfect for adding a touch of randomness and excitement to your light show. This is a 1-chase pattern. This is a 2-chase going back and forth. And here is the spell up pattern, similar to the one on the old 40SL controller. This is just barely scratching the surface of all the things this controller can do. For a full list of effects, features, and settings, click the user manual link in the video description. If you have any questions about this controller or any other products we carry, give us a call at 406-586-5105. Our sales team will be happy to make your lighting dreams come true. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.